Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Ingridjoyaromas. Today I just want to show you how I make a simple bug rub serums. So I'm using a 1 ounce bottle today, and then I am going to be using lavender, Roman caramel, frankincense, and rosemary. And to top it off, I'm going to be using almond sweet for the carrier oil. So when you use all these oils, you're going to be able to top it off with the separate oils. So today we need 11 drops of lavender, 11 drops of Roman caramel, I'm going to use 10 drops of frankincense and 10 drops of rosemary today. So you need also, don't forget you need your gloves also. For in-home, you don't really need the gloves. I need the gloves because I use these things sometime on a daily basis. So let's get started. Also, you need a syringe. So because I'm counting, I'm gonna take a break right now from talking. So as you can see right here on the top, this little thing here always giving me trouble because if I try to put the syringe inside, it will spill all over the place. So I'm just gonna take it out. Sometimes it's really hard to come out, so you just have to be patient. I think sometimes they put it in because of the manufacturer safety and spilling. So also don't forget, when you apply this, you need just a couple drops because it can go a long way. So as you can see, I'm showing you guys here what I'm using. I don't know if you can see, but those are the ingredients. If you can see, it's fine because I'm gonna be putting up the ingredients of the essential oils I'm putting up so you can see. And it's so easy, you can go ahead and just try these at home. Honestly guys, I'm so conscious nowadays of what I'm putting on my skin. I make these also for my grandkids and my daughter, so making your own oils at home is the best way to go, because I can tell you, if you should buy anything from the store, you look in the back and see how many ingredients you have in there, all these different oil, these are just what give you breakout. The best way to do things nowadays is just to do it yourself, and you know what's in there. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Hope you're having a wonderful day. As you can see this oil, how it look. Have a blessed day. Bye for now.